Kapati TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Sorkar Mikhalaya Kalashim ya Sinjam ban Pynskhem ya Jingïarap ya kali elektrik lani ki electric vehicle da ki pajba bat haka arpnetrek noitung ada punrio Sorkar kala Mynjur ya Mikhalaya electric vehicle polisi ada punrio kaba kentup ya Jingïarap pisa kaba arpsan Hajar bat ban pelat pura na jingsiu ya registration fees kenang ban pensuk ya ki pajba bakin thiet ya kali elektrik haka dor kaba khamjam ya kani karai lasim haka jingalang jong kunhun menteri melapenya jong menteri rambak ke Jylla ukondrat ke sangma haba pentip syakilap thai kubor menteri ke Sorkar Jylla Markus en Marak ulong ba kani ke sinjam kalong ban penslur ya kipat ba ban thietno da kali elektrik kenang ban penduna ya ke jing penjabo ya kamariang.
So cabinet has approved this electric vehicle policy 2026. Government of Meghalaya is promoting all people to go for electric vehicles. So therefore, cabinet has approved the compensation of around 25,000. Whoever is going for an electric vehicle, 25,000 will be given as an incentive, and also free registration will be given. Totally, the registration charge will not be required. So, government has already decided for that. And yes, that's it. Anybody who is going for an electric vehicle will be getting the incentive of 25,000 plus registration fee, free. Amendment to new Township Development Agency Rules 2012. Which was decided in the year 2012 with regard to New Shillong Township Development Agency. So this has been, amended, and now the government cabinet has passed as New Shillong Development Authority, hereinafter as the authority of NSDA, New Shillong Development Authority. So this is an authority now. It was an agency before. Now it will be an authority. Nomination of VIPs to the different district headquarters to take the salute on 15 August 2026, Independence Day. So that already has started. So some officers are there to talk to the cabinet ministers as according to their convenience, whichever district they want to go. So it will be given to all the honorable cabinet ministers. And the last one was proposal to amend the Meghalaya Goods and Services Tax Act 2027 by way of an ordinance. This is actually mandated by the rules. The GST Council under the Government of India, whichever GST Council is being passed, that has to be passed by the Meghalaya cabinet or any other state cabinets accordingly, and that is a mandatory by the Government of India norms and all. So therefore, this is passed according to the needs of the GST Council.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem artli ki Jylla hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba arpautli ki karkhana red category but ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin benaya kate kathan kum ka jaka ka belong critically pollutant hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ya ka khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santali ki karkhana red category ka jo ka le air ka baya bentalang hinrai ka jingmi jabo ka ya pher de nakata ka daw kini artli ki Jylla menta kisdang pen khre banthaw ya ka joint action plan.